I-upload ta. Na? Eh pag kinukinuno magago. I-upload ko. Paroran yung buto na, paroran yung buto. Ay, na? Parang mo ato yung buto lang. Na? I-upload ko natin. Sala mo. Kaya wala ka rin. Tira. Diyan, tata. I-upload ko man yun. Yung buto na. Okay. Tira. Ayan kinukinod.
Inanaw pa yung retardative needs lang. Pagpantod.
No problem. It's the bottom of my laptop. You know how much it costs to replace the frame? $100.
Wag na lang.
Might as well buy a new one if it's that expensive.
Bili ka na lang ng ano,
Na?
brand new.
I just feel bad about saying that it's heavy. But that's the defect of that laptop. I looked on it. There's others with that problem.
Pangit kasi yung pagkano niya, pagkagawa niya sa ano niya.
That's not. It presses against the plastic, so that's why it cracks. The way yours is made, the HP is very nice, solid. The way the hinges. It's too bad the laptop is powerful also for gaming.
Okay. Upload ko na lang ito. Na pag kinukinudo mo?
His instincts are strong. Strong instincts.
Wala mo, anong butirog ta na magkita tayo? Ang butirog mo tato yun. Ate the friends ko na taga-Santa, duda yun.
Something is gonna come out soon.
Patagag-inquire na bigat-bibigan typhoon 5. No, 1 typhoon 5 na available. Dagay iPhone 4S namin.
Check on that.
Ano, may pa yan. Nagpangit si ship na yung iPhone 5.
Gago nagbuwa, nagmayat yung iPhone 5. Itong matindog na nagbasit.
Alay, ikaw.
Shit!
Ano?
Give me 5. Ano?
Give me 5.
P5. Oh. Nalit siya na makagat na kamanan.
Nilagay agad ka yung butirog. Nawala ka, dito bito ka.
Diyan, ini kinukinuod mo lang.
Ano ba ka naman Kevin?
Na?
Banana. Ano?
Kaya tamo.
Okay.
Stop na.